Good evening. It's April 5th and I want to pop in and show you what I did for dinner. And this is a recipe that I have shared before, so you can check the Large Family Meals playlist and find it. Shepherd's pie. It's a basic ground beef on the bottom, frozen mixed veggies. I added in some frozen broccoli and potatoes, cheese on top, and perfection. So it is nicely colored just the way I wanted it. So I'm gonna let this cool off because it's hot and it's heavy. But yeah, nice and filling and quick. So anywho, hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys tomorrow.